make the Easter cards that I was talking about. These are the 2 Easter cards I've made so far. I'm not done yet, so you just use household items, and I can't wait to show you guys how I did this. I'm gonna write in here with everything that's going on. Obviously we can't go out to purchase cards right now, and I really wanted to give my family members, you know, some little Easter cards in the mail. So I thought this was a really good DIY project from home. So I didn't go out at all to buy any of these items, and you don't have to have sparkly, you know, bunny, but I'll show you what I am using for this. These are regular cotton balls. These are little things that I had left over, and oh, this one I wrote in. So this is for my aunt and my Nan and Poppy, my grandparents from Rick's side of the family, and our cousin Josh. And I just wrote in there with, you know, blue writing, Happy Easter, and like a little note. And voila, these are your homemade Easter cards. So really simple and really easy, and it's everything you already have at home. It doesn't have to look exactly like mine, but I just cannot wait to share with you guys what this stuff is anyways. See, there you go, cotton ball, little gems that I had. And if you don't have gems, you could just do like a little ribbon that you know, drew with, like I did it with a silver Sharpie. You could do it with anything. So ta-da. And I have these stickers, which I'll show you guys. So I have a lot of craft stuff because I just love to do little things here. These are like little pop-up stickers. They have a little pearl or bead on them. So obviously I've used a lot of these in the past. So I had these left over, and I was like, why not just use them now? And the gems that I'm talking about, these are from Dollar Tree that I had a while ago. Obviously I've used a bunch, so I was like, why not use these as well? And I even have blue ones. And then from my wedding, I had place cards. And in the place card, what I wanted to use was these strings. So this is gonna come in handy for like when I wanna do the scarf for the bunny. So I'm really excited about that, and I want to try this out. I don't know how I'm going to stick it yet with household stuff, but let's see. Okay, so what you're going to need is some Elmer's glue, some stick-on glue. Mine is actually out, and I ordered some, but it didn't arrive because obviously deliveries have been on back order, so I have a little bit left, but I'm going to try to see what I can get out of this. Some markers, like I have black and silver Sharpie markers, a pen, some Scotch tape. These are just because I wanted them in the video because of Easter, and some cotton balls, and any wrapping paper you have left over, scraps of wrapping paper. I had this silver one left over, so I keep scraps because I might need them for like small boxes to wrap like during Christmas time. So I have a bunch of wrapping paper, and even if it's a happy birthday wrapping paper, don't worry about it. We can work around it. All you need is the pattern for the bunny. So whatever wrapping paper you have left over, or whatever, you know, cards you have left over. Like I have all these cards that I, you know, send out for thank you cards or whatever. And well, obviously we can't use this one because it has writing, but you can use this as well. So you just do an outline of the bunny and then you glue it on top. See, there you go. Or you can use, you know, plain cards and do an outline of a bunny with the wrapping paper and put that on top, because you probably already have envelopes for this. And then you just need, like I said, like any leftover cards you have. I have cards, like empty cards from Michael's, and they came with envelopes, but I used the envelopes for something else. So at some point in my life, so I have like leftover envelopes here somewhere from other stuff. So I'm gonna put them in white envelopes because that's all I have left over. And then, like I said, if you have thank you cards or blank note cards, you can use those and put the bunny little, you know, on top of that, the bunny from the wrapping paper. So I cannot wait for you guys to watch me do this. Alright guys, so there you have it. I did leftover wrapping paper, little Easter bunnies with a little tail. The tail is so lightweight, so you know, one stamp will be perfect for this, and that way, you know, you don't have to buy you don't have to put 2 stamps. And it actually came out really cute. Let me know what you guys think. Here's the silver one. I really love this wrapping paper. However, as a wrapping paper, it's not so great with tape, but with this, it looks perfect. And then I thought this was fun too. I did 2 of these. So it's, you know, like Rick, me, and Adam. So this was cute, and I wrote from our family to yours. And then I had a little bit of dried baby's breath left over, and I just saved like some dry flowers all the time because it comes in handy when you want to decorate with place cards, or you know, like clearly right now with Easter cards it worked perfectly. So I thought this was cute. I put Elmer's stick glue, the washable glue, so that helps with sticking these on, and it'll dry and it'll be perfect. There you go. And then also you can use just plain white paper. If you have copy paper, just use that, and you know, create your own little Easter cards since we can't go out right now. And this is just like a fun little activity. If you have older kids, you can do this activity with them. So I thought this was so cute, and I'm pretty sure your family members are going to be blown away by your efforts and, you know, making hand cards. And this one, I just, you know, I was tired of doing the ribbon, so I was like, I want to do something different. So I just did a little, you know, silver marker Sharpie, or you could do a black Sharpie or a baby blue Sharpie. And there you go, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment below and subscribe to my channel. If you need a project, make sure to check out my DIYs. More coming your way. Thank you for watching, and have a happy Easter, guys.